It's going to be drastically different.
Makes this car look a whole new car. It looks so nice. You guys did such a great job.
It's going to be drastically different. I'm probably going to pull it over there and prep it because we ain't got many washes today because of the weather. So we'll probably just prep this. Ryan's off today, so we're going to start on it tomorrow. But I might have the detailers strip off the badges and emblems and get it ready for him. I'm going to just bring it over there now.
Hey, what do we have here?
It's a car.
It is a car. 2022 AMG SL55 in a Nardo flat type of gray, but now it's gonna be oil slick. Why don't we just spill a bunch of oil on it and just call it a day? Be like, there you go, guy.
I don't think that's allowed.
We wipe some oil on it for you. Wrapping it in a Flexishield, dry fit, color change, PPF, and this is how it's done.
It's not done yet. What was that supposed to do?
I thought it would, I watch a lot of movies and you know, they just snap and it's done.
That's not how it works. You don't pour oil on it, you don't snap your fingers, you just do it.
Isn't it crazy that those are all separate? Like, you think they just make them in one piece. But what do I know? Grandma's. Wham. Sass. Yes.
That was an insane amount of vacuum. Yeah! Is that like always like that or only when the doors are open?
Just when you're here.
It looks like you're playing Scrabble.
That's not at all what I'm doing. Yes. You've got the wrong idea.
That's scary. Hold on!
You know what that guy is? That guy's a bum.
When you start wrapping a car, do you pick the easiest parts first?
Usually goes horizontal stuff, hood, roof, trunk. If you lean over everything else to do those. That way you start with those, you don't have to lean over anything and scratch it, and then you just do the sides. Rockers and then bumpers last.
What did I accomplish yesterday? I did the hood, the trunk, I cut all the film out, tore the car down. The hood was an overstretch, so it's 66 by like 66, and the roll only comes in like 60 inches wide, so we had to stretch it that amount. So that took like 3 people and a couple tries. So that was fun.
You got it. You got it.
That's a big bubble.
Those door handles look pretty easy.
Yeah, a little bit.
You hear that?
What's that? That's just the sound of fingers getting pushed out. Dude, I'm so beat. Is that a hair?
How's it going with the vinyl, Ryan? It goes. Besides this part, what else do you need to do for the car? Is it complete for the most part?
Part that ain't wrapped. Come on, man. I have questions.
Needs a lot of stretch?
Not really.
No? Just holding it? Should we get that stick?
The stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get the stick. It's probably easier
It's
on
so
you.
much easier for me.
Yeah.
Cars for hire. I'm stretching it and it wants to pull back all the time.
Yep. That's that like PPF element. Just careful with the fingers because they don't go away.
Good?
Nah, there's a fat line right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That doesn't come off?
No. It's just a little too hard of a stretch. It's better.
Or maybe you can cut it from here and adjust?
Nah, I need all this stuff
Okay.
for that like little pocket in there. You like that?
Look at that.
What?
I'd be too scared to do that.
Why?
I'll crease it.
Well, that's why you're behind the camera and I'm not. Wouldn't you like to know? Weather boy, team leader.
Oh, that's okay. I got you.
That's what I beat the front desk with when they f***ed up my schedule.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, good thing your schedule's right on track.
Yeah.
You got nobody to fight.
No, it's for bumpers, Dan.
I see. What do you do with that?
You put it on the end so it keeps it a more even stretch. I usually don't use it though.
Oh, that's good.
Albie likes it.
Oh yeah.
Makes this car look a whole new car. It looks so nice. You guys did such a great job. Oh, right, you even did the door handle. That's sweet. That's cool because they go in. I guess that makes sense, right?